in my hand, I have two GTX 970s. This one and this one. But which one of these is the real deal? Is it this one or this one? Stay tuned to find out. First off, from the aesthetics, you can tell this is not a 970. And if this wasn't a big enough sign, this has a plastic construction. Yeah, it has a brushed aluminium feel to it. But on the IO side of this, we have a VGA port, which again no 970 should have, a DVI port, and a really badly cut out mini HDMI port. No, not a mini display port, a mini HDMI port. Now, when's the last time you saw that? So that's another telltale sign that this is a fake 970. Now, if this wasn't a big enough sign, the box, on the other hand, is a very big telltale sign. It is a little bit different than what you would have expected. Like some of the other fake graphics cards have had some sort of NVIDIA branding on them. But this guy came in a very discreet brown box. I was surprised with the way it came. It was nicely padded. The card was an anti-static bag. They didn't just throw everything in there and called it a day. They actually took their time to actually do something with it. But to scam us anyway, so seems a bit pointless. But speaking of the box, in the box you do get the driver CD on a very generic white CD. So yeah, you won't be using that. You also do get the PCI to tube Molex connectors to power this puppy, because it's gonna need all the juice it can get to play all your AAA games at 4K resolution. Yeah, like I said, a ton of padding, which is come in handy. And yeah, that is all there is to the box. I mean, compare this box to my 970 box, you can tell, yeah, it's a major step up from this guy. But with all that out of the way, let's actually test the GTX 970 and see what it's actually capable of. Make it quite clear that obviously this guy right here is a fake. So upon further inspection, we do have a bit of thermal grease on the actual graphics card, which I'll have to remove. So after running the model number for this graphics card, I found out that it is actually a rebranded 550 Ti, which it's not that surprising, but some of its other brothers, the fake 960, were using the same graphics chip under the hood. So in reality, I've basically gotten a 550 Ti for free, because I have contacted the seller. Actually, speaking of that, I did get a really weird response from the seller. I told him, my card's fake, I would like a refund please, and he's like, oh, we're sorry for your inconvenience, we didn't know that, we're gonna contact the factory. So that got me thinking, does the factory told them it's a 970 and they just sell it because they believe the factory, or do they know it's a scam? And yeah, that's what confused me. So thanks for watching. If you liked the video, don't forget to hit that like button. Also, if this happens to be the first video you've seen by me, then do consider subscribing to see more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.